This question is a bit of a time waster. So it's one of those questions that on test day, I just want to make sure that we, have enough time to do. Otherwise, it might not be worth doing it if you are a bit slow at doing algebra. Anyways, let's walk through it. We know that after 10 minutes, we have a drink that is 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, we have this formula where F equals 120 plus 2 to the negative AT, where T is in minutes and A is a constant, plus 60. And using these two pieces of information together, we can create this formula here. So that means that 120 degrees is equal to the formula with 10 put up in the T section, as we stated before. Now, if I subtract 60 from both sides, I'll get this formula down here. If I then divide both sides by 120, I will isolate 2 to the negative A times 10 equals 1/2. And 1/2 is equal to 2 to the negative 1. And if you need to review that, check out our exponents video. So 2 to the negative 1 is equal to 2 to the negative A times 10. Well, since they have the same base, that means the exponents must be the same. So that negative 1 exponent is really equal to negative A times 10. Divide both sides by the negative 1 that we have implied here, and we get 1 is equal to A times 10, and that leaves us with A is equal to 1/10. So we've solved the constant. We can then put that in the formula to solve F when we know that we are looking for F after 30 minutes. So we would have F is equal to 120 times 2 to the negative 1/10 times 30 for the 30 minutes plus 60. Well, 2 to the negative 1/10 times 30 is the same as 2 to the negative 1, or 2 to the negative 3 rather. And so we have 120 times 2 to the negative 3 plus 60. 2 to the negative 3 is the same as 1 over 2 cubed, which is 1/8. So we're taking 1/8 of 120 and then adding 60 to it. Well, 1/8 of 120, 120 divided by 8, divide top and bottom by 4, and I get 30 over 2, and 30 over 2 is 15. So 120 divided by 8 is equal to 15. 15 plus 60 is equal to 75, and that is our answer.